Hi and welcome to Forvie. I'm working on the new student placement on the NNR. Today I'm going to be taking a walk around the reserve, showing off some of the sights and talking about some of the features here. So let's see what we can find. The River Ifan flows through the reserve and creates a variety of habitats, including these reed beds here. Further downstream, these tidal mudflats are an excellent feeding area for our bird species. Many, including the gulls, terns and eiders, also raise their young on the banks of the Ifan. And there's also a popular seal haul-out, where the Ifan meets the sea at the Newborough estuary. The terrestrial habitats of Forvie also vary. At the southern end of the reserve, the sand substrate is highly mobile and the landscape is shaped by the wind. Even the Forvie Kirk here was once completely buried by these shifting sands. As we make our way northwards, grasses begin to colonise the sand and help to stabilise the substrate. And finally, at the top of the reserve, we see that the grasslands have given way to carpets of dune heath and lichens. Well, that's just about all I've got time for, so thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed.